Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of what Scallop Diva Designs sent me. Thank you, Erica. This is her new release. I'm very, very excited to play with it. It's called the Crafters Gonna Craft series. Super, super, super cute. I really, really like this. So the first item that she sent me was this tape dispenser. I mean, look at how cute this is. It's got the stitch detailing on the front layer, and then it looks like this is gonna go around to create the tape per se. I could totally see some washi tape being used in this, but this is super, super cute. And then I also saw these paper straws on her site. Super, super fun. The bow goes around the straw. It would be an awesome for wand making, I'm thinking. I'm thinking this is going to be really cool to present it to as some Happy Mail. You could put the straw right inside the packet that you're sending. And then we also have the hot glue gun, which I thought is so, so, so cute. We all love our hot glue guns. Fun little embellishment. I think this is just the reverse for either side, so very cool idea on that. You could almost do a clip or something. And then she also sent me this Scallop Dies set. Very excited to use this too. It's got some really nice stitching detail. I like the size of the scallops along the bottom. It just makes a good size tag. And for the final piece that she sent me, this is a craft caddy bag, guys. It is going to be so stinking cute. I'm really excited to play with this die. So it looks like, I mean, it's going to have a pocket on it. This would be a fun memory next card you could make. I am seeing so many possibilities with this die. So check back. I'll have some more videos up to show you what I did with these fun dies. And head on over to Scallop Diva Designs. I will link everything in the description box below, as well as links to each of these dies that she sent. And I will see you in the next crafty video. Bye!